Yes, we're here in town. We just pick up we have bags from USA. Thank you. So now we're stuck here. This is market. All kinds of van here. Can't move. This is Talibon Market. This is the way. Another van.
Oh, Jesus.
You're gonna here turn around because this way is straight. They construct
Is this a mess?
the road, so this is one way here.
Absolute mess here.
Very mess. So that's the Noob Mall, and this is Jollibee here. And it's still a mess here. So we're gonna go back home.
Jesus, what a mess.
Yeah, especially Thursday.
They're working on the back road here, so. Oh, geez, what a
And
mess.
Thursday is the delivery.
Yeah.
Yes. Hello, somebody have accident daily. Or he dropped the grocery. Oh Jesus! Dropped the grocery. That guy.
Absolute mess.
Yep,
And it's only going to get worse, folks.
it will.
Only going to get worse.
Everything's there. No space. Especially the big truck will deliver. Very hard. So we're on the road again.
Yep, very poor planning here.
Exactly.
More into all these businesses and that instead of trying to figure out how they're going to deal with the traffic and the people. And
Yeah, that's right.
absolutely crazy.
This will become crazy more because, you know, what is going on here? Construction again. Building, a commercial building. So it is a mayhem again here. There's a huge building here. Very hot.
Yeah, absolutely insane.
So is this the clouds here is forming a thunderstorm?
No.
again. Before we go home, we pass by here. And we don't want, like what I said, that we won't waste any trip. We just pick up the package from USA. And Doro and I want to go out now. Kuya Doro and Philip will start packing up the rice hay. My video yesterday, this is the one that rice hay laying to the ground, and today they just harvest. So the other pile almost gone there. So this is the next pile, big pile. There might be next month, that will be the next field to harvest. So it's a kind of blue sky here. There is no clouds. There is a clouds here, but might be that is not a thunderstorm. That's a good idea. We're almost done. I don't know how many loads is this. You want water? So we're done now, guys. And we can go home. Asa ka mahigda mo kan? Tumoy? Mulingkod? Okay na kada na? Init man? Magunit lang kada na? Nindot na ka, bounce ka ba? Oh, sige. We will go now, guys. Thank you. Okay. So we're here in the road again. Back home. How many loads is this?
Number 18.
so hot. And it's a little bit far from the road. We need to climb the hill. Bye guys! Thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks for your likes and comments. Please subscribe to my channel and Philippine Spot Garden and Farm. Thank you. God bless us all. Stay tuned. I'll be back later. We just arrived, guys. Now they're gonna unload. We're making a mountain here. As you can see here. Imagine this is number 18. So I'm going to walk this side. So you can see here. That's big our pile. Yeah, there you go. Oh. Be quiet, oi. Kaki. Bye guys. It's so hot. I'm so thirsty now. No water. It's really totally blue sky here. So bye guys. Thank you so much for watching again my video. Thank you so much for your like and the comments. And after you watch my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Oh, this is closed. Sorry lang guys. Come on.
Open the back door to, we'll set it on the table first, spot off the table.